Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So now is the third part of my tutorial about clip arts and fonts. So now after talking about clip arts, then I'm going to show you more about this app Bitmoji that you can use to kind of brand yourself across your worksheets. That's the thing that I use is actually my icon on my page, Teacher Lisa, that I always use. So you can download this on your handphone, Bitmoji, from the Google Play app. So you can personalize it to your likeness, and you can also use it for your Google board, your Snapchats, and you can customize it across your work. So there's also hijabis, headscarves, and other accessories option for you. And now the new one is that you can log in from your desktop and use it on your desktop stickers, and also you can actually copy and paste your stickers to use across your work. So it takes more time. Okay, for example, so I've searched for work, sorry, wrong. Okay, work. For example, let's choose this one. Okay, just right click it and copy. So you open your points, you just paste this. So this one is just paste, paste. Okay, so how are you going to make this into kind of black and white? You can't exactly make it black and white, but you can actually make it actually grayscale, because as you can see, the outline is not exactly black. So if you turn it into black and white, it will actually disappear. So you're going to just click on the picture twice. Picture format, you go to artistic effects, and so the nearest you black and white you can find is this. Yes, so it's not really actually achieving the effect, but you can actually edit using the recolor. Actually make it more.